What's going on, guys? So as you can see, I finally decided to get that bike I was talking about, and here it is. It's perfect? No, it's actually far from it. This bike was pretty beaten up, so the first thing I did when I get it, I just turned the bike to the pieces, and this is how it looks at this moment in time. As you can see, it's actually kinda clean, but as you go down, the story is not really the same. So yeah, the bike was dirty as fuck, and as I say fuck, I mean really, it was disgusting, man. But the price was kinda alright. I have like 2 boxes of different shit for the bike. I'm not sure if the stuff in the boxes it's actually worth anything, because as I said, on the first look, man, it felt like a bunch of crap. But I have 2 exhausts, a lot of plastics and shit, so I guess I'm gonna be alright at this point. The electrical system on this bike is, oh man, that's something. That's something, and looks like a few people actually did change some stuff. So I have no idea what wire is for what, and as I talk about that, I think there's no chance the wires that should do something actually do that. So yeah, but other than that, condition is kinda meh at this point. As you can see, there's a new radiator that was on the bike. It doesn't fit as well as it should be at this point, but I'm gonna look at that. And yeah, as I said, project bike, and this is a project big one. So yeah, take care, ride safe, and I will be back with the video actually on the bike really soon. Peace.